This video will try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen from the location, there is some nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Let's talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is fine and guests like to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rates and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then tell us by commenting. If you have already checked out from this property, share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so